I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to us.
You're on a plane to Tokyo, to LA and to places I don't know. And every time you're leaving home, I hate it, but I know it's not for long. When you travel down the coast, when you look across the shore, when you hear the ocean roar, I'm waiting for your call. When you make it to the island, sand beneath your feet, when I look at the horizon, well, you think of me. You are a traveler. My bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler. You know that I love you when I let you go.
We ran so fast up the mountain as the sun fell low. We climbed so high, chased the lights in from the sunset glow. 'Cause time won't wait for us, it fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last. We stood and looked out as the colors in the sky ran wild. In that moment, I felt like I was seeing through the eyes of a child. 'Cause time won't wait for us, it fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last.
Continues to explore without any fear, and every day that passes by, it feels more like home. as we watch our love grow.
Running through the trees to get ahead of you, nature sends me. It's whiter than the snow, crisper than the air that I breathe. Oh, oh, searching for the warmth to stand by my side. I finally realized it was there the whole time. Every day that passes by feels more like home, as we watch our love grow. Blindfolded lovers boldly stare ahead, standing on the edge of what comes next. Golden